Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care.
Welcome to this small introduction. You'll notice I am neither at the shed or on 96. The reason for this, the original video which we shot for the introduction to this video that you're now watching looked a bit like this, and by the time you'd edited it onto YouTube it looked like this. So we've had to record this one. So what is this video about? This video is we're going to be doing the interior lights, which needed to be removed from 96, put on 79 for storage for another member, and outside there was a double-deck Southampton Atlantean which we needed to take the lights off and then put them onto 96. As you will see, there became a few issues, but we'll leave them for the video. This is going to be in two parts. Part 1, which you're now just about to watch, and part 2, which will be the following week. Other little jobs that we did that we didn't plan to do, we'll touch at the end of part 2. So without further ado, please do sit back, relax and enjoy this first part of the interior lights of 96. So Sean has got the screwdriver downstairs, it's undoing them, so I'm just going to take the fronts off, which is a hex key, and we're using the drill version. We've done downstairs already. It's just a case of doing it up here. And not losing any screws because these are going onto another bus. Why is not just having the ones that are missing replaced, I don't know. But hell. So I've done that one. There's obviously not much left. At least we don't have to put the window restrictions pods on up here.
Hey.
We don't have to put the pods on up here, they're up here.
Hey.
It's just downstairs. I've got rivets, so we might try and get that done as well today. Because that is going to be a bastard of a job. At least make a start on that one as well. Essentially, it doesn't really matter because it'll strike the light no matter what.
Yeah. Okay.
And I've got a theory about the switch above the door.
Oh well. It's nothing this. There's nothing in the new house. 240 volt for the amp.
You found a spider! I'm out!
Are you being serious? Run away!
There's a spider in that light! Right, some screws to come out now. I found the spider.
You found what?
The spider.
You're not scared of him, are you?
It's dead.
Oh. I was going to say, you're scared of him, you're a fucking pussy. Man up.
But there's a few spiders in this one.
That's fine.
I don't like spiders.
That's fine. Leave it, out with it. There'll be some,
They're not a fan of spiders. They're not dead, they will be in a minute. I think they died of starvation though.
Right, it's tarantulas, they might eat you.
Well, judging that there was a fly there that is half dead, or completely dead, I don't think they're alive. Do you know, I think this is going to be the longest part of this.
What, the lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, once we've got lights, we can do more.
No, I mean, I'm trying to get the lights fucking off.
Oh.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Right guys, well as you've seen at the end of that a lovely time lapse, we have now completed 96's removal and we're going to move to the Southampton, which is outside, where you'll get another time lapse of us taking, well, robbing them lights to put them on here. So this could be fun because that Southampton's been outside for what seems like ever. So we'll see how much the roof leaks on it.
If I want, let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it.
So, update on this so far. We've discovered an issue. Now all the lights we've taken off don't have a ballast on the back of them. That is because on this vehicle, which no one's seen coming, all the ballasts are in this cupboard. So all of them do all the lights that are on this bus. So we now got to take them off, have a little bit of a fiddle, and then in theory we should be able to get them to work on 96. This will be interesting.
There's nothing